In the meantime, in a show of strength, as we're looking at the protest against the price hike, BJP is now expected to hold a massive protest, a showdown which is now expected against the Siddaramaiah Sarkar. Let me take that to Deepak, who's joining us live right now for a better understanding, because Deepak, you've been speaking to the people there. They don't seem happy with the price rise in the fuel especially. But when it comes to the Congress, they are defending this action. The BJP, meanwhile, continues with its protest.
Yes, the Congress continues to maintain that in comparison to the other states, even like Maharashtra, which has a similar economy like Karnataka, the prices of fuel are much higher. Right now, at the petrol bunk today, of course, being a holiday here because of Bakrid, the footfall is less, but most of the people that I've been able to speak to the last 24 to 48 hours, they are affected by this price, 102.90 at this point, the price of fuel. And many of them say that it is definitely, causing a dent in their pocket. And many of them even understand that it's probably because, the guarantees need to be funded. That's something that, Congress's own, leaders have been talking about. They're saying that for development, for funding of guarantees, this price hike is something that was needed. So let's try and understand from the people. Sir, you are filling your fuel today. How much do you think this affects you, this 3 rupee increase in prices? Okay, he doesn't want to probably comment at this point in time, but definitely for the people, it is a big burden because they feel that this without this increase, they could have, of course, gone about saving some amount of money, because fuel is something that not just directly affects them while they're filling it in their tanks, but also it indirectly increases the cost of other essential commodities as well. Let's try and take this question to another individual. Sir, ನಿಮಗೇನು ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ 3 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಿದೆ? Would you think that is justified, sir?
Not justified at all. Just because they are giving freebies, they are trying to collect more money.
Okay. And some of the Congress leaders and ministers say that compared to other states, Karnataka is much lesser. To fund development guarantees, they need to increase, and they're saying it is justified.
They need to increase only because of freebies, not because of any other productive work.
Do you get any of the freebies that have been promised by?
Nothing.
So you're only paying extra now for fuel?
We are paying. Yes, we are only paying.
How does that make you feel?
It feels bad, in fact. 3 rupees, especially if diesel goes up by 3 rupees, vegetables, milk, everything is going to go up. So it's not only the 3 rupees we are paying, we are going to be paying much more.
Well, a very valid point, like he mentioned. Like I was just making that point earlier. It's not just the increase in price, which will affect them directly when they fill up their tanks, but also the prices of essential commodities because of the hike in diesel prices is something that, the common man will also have to bear. And that's being echoed here when you speak to many of them.
How is the BJP, however, we talk about the politics also taking place, saying that this has been a significant hike that has not been just reported when it comes to fuel, but other taxes as well that has been incorporated by the Congress Sarkar?
The BJP in a short while from now at about 11 is staging a massive protest. They want to get out the Chief Minister's residence is also the plan. Freedom Park is a location where they've been allowed to protest. Whether the protest will only intensify from there is something that remains to be seen, which of course is a big issue that the BJP is saying it is, as far as the livelihood of the common man, which is going to be severely affected. And when we spoke to a couple of them, that's what even they believe. They're saying that it is to fund the freebies that the Congress has actually gone ahead and done something like this. So it is something that probably many of them believe. Sir, nimigenu ansutte 3 ರೂಪಾಯಿ fuel price ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. Do you think it's justified for the common man? Some of them, of course, at this point don't want to comment, but we just heard another individual earlier who did speak about how it affects him, and he also tries to here say that it's not just paying this 3 rupee extra, but also the cost of other essential commodities that could also go up, including vegetables, because of the hike in diesel too.
All right.